Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Binance US account security best practices detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Binance US website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Check your email for a verification message from Binance US. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Binance US account using your email and password. Set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for added security. You can choose to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or opt for SMS authentication. If you choose an authentication app, download it to your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and scan the QR code presented on the Binance US account setup page. Enter the code generated by the app to complete the 2FA setup. Next, navigate to your account settings under the profile icon. Enable withdrawal whitelist for your cryptocurrency withdrawals. Add trusted wallet addresses to your whitelist for added security. Regularly review and update your withdrawal whitelist as needed. Consider enabling account alerts for logins and withdrawals. This ensures you are notified of any suspicious activities. Make sure to use a secure and private internet connection when accessing your account. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks to prevent potential security breaches. Keep your device secure by regularly updating the operating system and software. Use antivirus protection and perform regular scans on your device. Consider setting up a VPN for an additional layer of security. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify the website URL before logging in. Educate yourself about common scams and security practices in the cryptocurrency space. Finally, regularly monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.